Hey guys, Gemini Jazz 46 here, coming at you guys with another video. And today we have a very, very special video that I hope will get views and bring my channel back to life. I'd like to start off by sincerely apologizing for not uploading recently. My bad. I had the videos ready, I just forgot to actually, upload them. We're not going to talk about that. But today is a very rare video. This is the Polaris First Class Spider-Man themed Amenity kit for Polaris, as you can see right there. And the it's basically first class, and I'm going to briefly go over what all of the stuff is in here. Hopefully some airport updates, new models coming, and Gucci stuff like that. You can see right off the start, it's a little hard to see, but you can see vents, or Venice, that's what I meant to say, Europe. It has like locations over here, and then you can see spider webs, and then the Spider-Man right here, sort of. If we open it up, there's the inside. So the first thing you get out of this is Spider-Man socks for first class. Very neat. Just like that, with the spider web inside. Then we put that aside. The next thing we get is a Spider-Man from home in theaters, blah, blah, blah. And then it's a postcard, as you can see on the back. And then next we have soap. It says Sunday Riley exclusively for United Polaris. Then we have United Polaris tissues. Here are headphones. Here is a toothbrush. Spider-Man. Okay. We have a Spider-Man mask right there. And we have a nice little pen. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Really happy I got my hands on this, all this good stuff. Please like, comment, and subscribe. There will be a takeoff video coming, or landing video coming soon. I already have it edited and everything. I think it's takeoff from San Diego, because I did the landing. I did the landing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.